The Hostco now curates local services across the country, from massage to chef, glam squad, same-day laundry, and more. You can offer these services through your Hostco store and make money from every service sold. We take care of organizing, scheduling, confirming with guests, and vendors. You'll find recommended services per city in your Hostco dashboard. Each hyper-local curated provider is trusted and vetted, and our partnership with these providers means we deal with messaging, scheduling, payout, and direct connection to your guests. And if your guest is interested in a service they don't see, they can contact right in the store with requests. So get ready for even better reviews, more profit, and a level of amenities that keeps your guests coming back for more. Sign up or sign in to the Hostco today and see what local services are live in your area. And make sure to include your Hostco store link in your booking message to guests. Happy hosting from the Hostco.